Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTaker. In this one, I'm going to do the epic kind of charging speed test comparison between all of these three smartphones which I got right now. Starting with the first phone, which is a OnePlus Nord 2, and second is a Realme GT Neo 2, and third is a Poco F3 GT device. The Poco F3 GT, which has got the battery capacity of 5065 milliamperes, and GT Neo 2, which has got 5000 mAh of battery capacity, and OnePlus Nord 2, which has got 4500 mAh of battery capacity. So 65 watt charger, 65 watt charger, and 67 watt charger. As you can see the difference between the charging speeds. And right now I'm going to do the charging speed test of all these phones together at same time, just to check which one actually charges what kind of speed right now in the 2022. And this is what makes a lot of interesting results, friends. Let's see which one will be having what kind of speed results. And right now you can see the stopwatch is ready, and all the three smartphones are having exactly 1% of the battery left. Exact. As you can see, 1% in the OnePlus Nord 2 as well, and in the Realme GT Neo 2 also 1% exactly, and in the Poco F3 GT also exact 1%. So all the three smartphones are having exactly 1% of the charging. I'll try to connect the cables and I'll try to start the stopwatch at same time. So right now, as you can see, friends, all the three smartphones are connected to the chargers at this moment exactly. I'll try to turn on the switch and turn on the stopwatch at same time. Right now we should be able to see the charging indication coming in all the three smartphones exactly, starting with 1%. As you can see, friends, clearly 1%. So all the three smartphones are started the charging. So at same time, all together, that's perfect. Again, I'll be back after 10 minutes of time exactly. Let's see in the 10 minutes which phone actually charges what kind of percentage and how much high temperatures all the three smartphones can actually increase. These are the few details which I'll try to check in 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 and 100%. These are the, I'll try to write the statistics. And temperature 26.6 degrees, 26.6 and 29.8. Slightly higher in the Poco F3 GT, little bit. Again, I'll be back after 10 minutes of time. So right now, exactly you can see, friends, we're reaching 10 minutes of time exactly. I'll try to write down the battery percentage of all of these three smartphones exactly at 10 minutes of time. So let's try to focus, try to zoom it in. So you'll be able to see OnePlus Nord 2 reached to 46%, 46 and 40%, 46, 40 and 34%. So these are the readings for the first 10 minutes of time exactly, friends. You can see the OnePlus Nord 2 is charging pretty fast. It can actually charge 50% in within 10 minutes as well sometimes. Right now it reached to 48% anyway. It's going to charge very soon 50%. So overall the speeds, if you try to look at the speeds, the OnePlus Nord 2 is high, GT Neo 2 second, and third is the Poco F3 GT. So definitely the OnePlus Nord 2 has got advantage of having a low battery capacity. That's something you should know because 4500 mAh of battery capacity only. And I can be back after 20 minutes of time. So OnePlus Nord 2 will reach definitely, friends, 50%. I already did reach below 10 minutes only the time, as you can see exactly 50%. So that's pretty fast. And Realme GT Neo 2 is about 44%. Even for the 5000 mAh of battery capacity, that's pretty fast, 44 and 37%. Slightly kind of Poco F3 GT is slightly backward. And now let's look at the temperatures, what's happening. Sorry friends, I'm not feeling quite well nowadays. That's the reason. So I did give the COVID test results as well. So I'll be able to get the couple of maybe next tomorrow or day after tomorrow I'll get the results back. So that's the reason my voice might be slightly changed. So right now it's of 33 degrees Celsius, the phone's temperatures 33 and 34, and the bottom is 33.4, 34, 34. So all the three smartphones are maintaining kind of 34 degrees. Even the OnePlus Nord 2 also 34 degrees Celsius. Let me write down, and again I'll be back after 20 minutes of time. So finally, as you can see, friends, we are reaching close to 20 minutes of time as well at this moment exactly. And let's see around exact 20 minutes what will be the overall charging speeds between all of these three smartphones. And first in the OnePlus Nord 2, 81%, Realme GT Neo 2 72%, 81, 72 and 61%. So these are the readings, friends, for the first 20 minutes of time. 81% the OnePlus Nord 2 did reach, and 72 not bad, and 61 the Poco F3 GT, you can see slightly kind of little bit kind of getting slow charge at this moment, but I'm trying to use a default cable and default charger which came along with the box. And let's take a look at the temperatures, what's happening. Temperature is 34.6 degrees Celsius, 34 is the highest, and Realme GT Neo 2 35 degrees Celsius, it's slightly 1 degree higher, 35 in the Realme GT Neo 2, and Poco F3 GT 35. So both phones are having 35 degrees Celsius, not bad, 35 degrees. And OnePlus Nord 2 is maintaining 34 degrees at this moment, slightly kind of less temperatures at this point. And some of the users did mention that they're getting shocked when you're touching this cable. But let me know in the comment section below, friends, if you're using Poco F3 GT Are you facing any kind of small shock or not? So 34 degrees Celsius in the OnePlus Nord. I'll try to write down all the readings. And I'm going to be back after 30 minutes of time. Next 10 minutes. So then we'll discuss what's happening with overall charging speed. But right now, at this moment with the speed, OnePlus Nord 2 will charge faster. That's kind of good. But you need to consider low battery capacity. That's biggest plus point for the OnePlus Nord 2. And I'm going to be back when the phone gets close to 99%. Can it charge within 30 minutes or not? We'll try to check. Right now, it already reached 86% in this 21 minutes of time. I'm going to be back after 30 minutes of time. So finally friends, we are reaching exactly 26 minutes and 27 minutes. And right now the OnePlus Nord 2 charged already to 98%. As you can clearly see, 98%. The OnePlus Nord 2 did charge. That's very fast. You're in the fast charging. 99 as well. That's 26 minutes and 99%. And Realme GT Neo 2 reached up to 89%. And Poco F3 GT reached to 78%. As you can see, 78%. That's slightly kind of slow. But OnePlus Nord 2 can charge maybe in 27 minutes, I guess, right now. So this is after the recent December security patch update, which I'm trying to do the charging test in the OnePlus Nord 2. 99%. So let's see, friends, what's going to happen with the results overall. Still, it's showing 99 only. I just want to see whether the 100% will charge within this 27 minutes mark or not. 99%. Still it's showing. Right now 19% again. I'll let you check again after some time. Fine friends, we are about to reach 28 minutes and the phone charged to still 99% only, and 28 minutes it reached and still is showing 99%. There's no sign of 100% right now, as you can see. So right now, as you can see friends, the phone did reach up to 100% exactly around 28 minutes. The OnePlus Nord 2. That's pretty fast, as you can clearly see. And still there's some kind of message saying charging. It's not completely fully charged, but it's charging. So what we'll try to write down the time is 28 minutes of the OnePlus Nord 2 it did take to charge. And Realme GT Neo 2 at that time is at 92% and 82% in the Poco F3 GT. Not bad, even the Poco F3 GT seems to getting really good. And 28 minutes for the OnePlus Nord 2. And by the end, the temperatures of this OnePlus Nord 2 are 32 degrees Celsius at the end of the benchmark test results. Let's see in the 30 minutes about this both phones how much they can charge. So right now we are reaching exactly 30 minutes, 93% the Realme GT Neo 2 did reach, and 85% in the Poco F3 GT. As you can see, 85% not bad. So 93 and 85% regarding the battery temperatures. Let me write down the readings, 93% and 85%. So let's check what's happening with the temperatures. So 33.34 and 32.4 and 33. So overall kind of 34.2 is the highest and 35.8 is the highest in the Poco F3 GT. So Poco F3 GT is having slightly higher temperatures, even front and back. So 34 and 35 regarding the temperatures. I'm going to be back after 40 minutes, or maybe the Realme GT Neo 2 will get charged 100% after some time. I'm going to be back after some time. So right now, as you can see friends, the time is about 35 minutes of time, and the Realme GT Neo 2 charged to 98%. It's taking slightly more time than usual to reach 100%. So Poco F3 GT reached up to 93% in the Poco F3 GT, 93 and 98. 99 as well, around 35 minutes of time. Let's see friends how much time again the Realme GT Neo 2 takes to charge. So right now the OnePlus Nord 2 showed the charges indication as well. Right now it's completely charged as well. And Realme GT Neo 2 will take about 36 minutes and 37 minutes of time to charge 100%. So let's see friends, I will be back after some time. Right now we are close to 37 minutes as well at this moment. Right now as you can see 36 minutes and 50 seconds, and still it's showing 99% only. And still it did not charge 100%. Right now the time is about 37 minutes of time, which you can clearly see friends, 37 minutes. So still it's gonna take some time to charge. So right now as you can see friends, it's 37 minutes of time and still it's showing 99 minutes only. So it's not showing charging 100%. So it takes some time at the end. So 38 minutes and 20 seconds and still 99%. Right now it's 39 minutes of time and still it's showing 99%. As you can clearly see friends, it's not charging. So I did not disconnect, but still it's taking a lot of time to get that 100%. After this Realme UI 3.0 and after a long time I'm trying to do this kind of testing in the Realme GT Neo 2. As you can see, friends, right now it's 40 minutes of time and still it's not charging to 100%. I'm not sure what's happening here. And Poco F3 reached already to 97% in the Poco F3 GT. On the other hand, sometimes this kind of slow charging can happen, friends. Sometimes that's the reason why I'm getting few of the comments saying that the phone is taking 45 minutes to charge, 50 minutes to charge. Maybe sometimes it charges pretty slow, I guess. But right now, as you can see, still it's going on, the charging. So I can do one thing. I'll try to disconnect and connect again. I'll try to show you exactly what is the percentage of 99 it is exactly. Because if you try to disconnect and connect, it will try to show you exactly what is the percentage. So right now it's kind of 99.76%. So this is what I'm trying to look after. So it's charging a little bit slow to reach that 100%. As you can see, that might be the reason why we are seeing this kind of inconsistent. I mean, slightly getting delay in the slow charging. So right now, so as you can see, friends, still it's showing 99% and 99% Poco F3 GT as well. That last 1% did take about close to, I think, maybe 7 minutes of time, I guess. 6 to 7 minutes of time, the last 1% only to charge till 100%. So this is a live proof which we can actually see. And right now the Poco F3 GT 99%. We need to see about Poco F3 GT also. This phone can charge in 100% any minute. So right now it's still charging. I'm not sure what's going on. Finally it charged around 100%, around 42 minutes of time. Oh my god, 42 minutes of time. The phone completely took to transfer, as you can clearly see, it's 42 minutes of time to completely charge. So as I said, usually it takes 36 minutes and 37 minutes. So now it did take 42 minutes. So I cannot explain you why it's like that, but every time it's not that consistent results we'll be getting in any smartphone, friends. So 42 minutes. The GT Neo 2, and in the Poco F3 GT, 99% still it's showing the sign. Right now we are reaching 44 minutes as well, still it's showing 99%. As you can see, friends, let me just slightly zoom it in. Still 99%, so it did not charge 100%. 44 minutes of time. 44 minutes and 38 seconds, and still it's showing 99% only. It did not charge 100%. As you can see, friends, it's showing only 99%. So it takes some time, I guess, again. So we are reaching 45 minutes and kind of 56 seconds for as well. But the phone charged to 100% finally. Finally the phone charged. So it took about 45 minutes in the Poco F3 GT to charge complete 100%. 45 minutes of time, friends. That's pretty long time, as you can clearly see. So 28 minutes versus 42 minutes versus 45 minutes. So usually the GT Neo 2 will charge around 36 and 37 minutes of time. Poco F3 GT will charge about 42 and 43 minutes of time. But this time it took slightly more time than usual. Meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for updates. Until then, bye.